Hey shoppers, we have whipped beef tallow balm. So my husband uses this every night, this type of brand. And the reason is because of the ingredients. So this particular one, it's a nice larger jar with a screw. This is unscented. It does come with a spatula, which helps because a little bit goes a long ways. And when you have the spatula, it gives you the control to be able to get the exact amount that you want. So the scoop's so nice and it really leaves your skin soft. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands and you can just see this little bit covers so much. It is unscented. There is no scent to it at all. It has no dyes. It's like a clear color. It doesn't have a dye to it. So you notice how quick it absorbed into my skin. So it absorbs quick and it's long lasting. That's why I think my husband loves this, is because he can put it on at night and wake up with moisturized skin and it just lasts all night. If he puts it on in the morning, then he stays moisturized all throughout the day. He has a really dry skin, dry feet. So it's high concentrate and it's sensitive enough that you can use it on your face.